Is it the right time to buy or sell SOFI stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at SOFI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 5, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 1, 2023, our system has ranked SOFI as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.73. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown some natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 2.04%. This means that on average, the stock has been returning 0.68% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. It appears that the stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend up. Initially, we observe a slower rate of decline, which could potentially signal a shift in the overall trend. Upon further analysis, we find that there is support at the roof of the current trend, which is at $7.63. This support level might present a second opportunity for a positive outcome. Based on fan theory, the next potential trend top level is projected to be $9.03, which may act as a resistance level, resistant to being broken in the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 16.83% change over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within the range of minus 35.12% to minus 20.57%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, there is a projected 38.28% change over the next 12 months. The potential return for this period lies between 16.45% and 119.82%. This translates to a price range of $9.30 to $17.56 after 1 year. Our latest update on SOFI brings a headline, weaker technical forecast for SOFI as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The SOFI stock price increased by 0.377% on the last trading day, Tuesday, December 5, 2023. It rose from $7.96 to $7.99, marking its third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this trend continues or if there is a minor pause in the next few days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced a 3.61% fluctuation, reaching a low of $7.75 and a high of $8.03. In the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 20.79%, with 8 out of the last 10 days showing an increase. The trading volume decreased by 15 million shares on the previous day, totaling 30 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $241.11 million. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal future changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $11.70, while the lowest price was $4.24. Currently, the price is 31.71% or $3.71 below the 52-week high, and 71.73% or $20.27 below the all-time high on February 1, 2021. When the price reached $28.26. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, October 18, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods upgraded SOFI with a Market Perform grade. On Thursday, August 17, 2023, Citigroup gave SOFI a Buy grade with a Hold action. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods downgraded SOFI with an Underperform grade. On Tuesday, July 25, 2023, Stephens initiated SOFI with an Equal weight grade. On Thursday, July 13, 2023, Morgan Stanley downgraded SOFI with an Underweight grade. Analysts have given SOFI stock a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio as a good opportunity to buy and the price-to-book ratio as attractive to buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for SOFI stock. The SOFI stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a promising forecast. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock will find support at $7.54 and $7.32. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will trigger sell signals. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 20.79% increase so far. We can expect further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite the stock's price gain, there was a decrease in volume during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could potentially serve as an early warning, so it's important to keep a close eye on the stock. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands generated a buy signal 51 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $6.94 and $6.90. Support levels are important because they indicate a price level at which buying pressure may increase, potentially preventing further declines. However, if the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For SOFI, the next support levels from accumulated volume would be at $6.90 and $6.85. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in testing a support level. Whenever a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk. If the support level is broken, it could signal further downside potential. In the case of SOFI, the stock is currently at a support level of $6.94. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $6.90 and $6.85. Moving on to risk assessment, SOFI has average movements during the day and good trading volume. This means that the risk is considered to be medium. On the last day, the stock moved $0.280 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 3.61% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.39%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for SOFI, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary setbacks due to uncontrollable factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 29, 2024. Let's now analyze some potential day trading levels for SOFI. If the stock follows an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $8.01. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock price to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you already hold SOFI shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if SOFI experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $6.94. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for traders, with the expectation of a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, SOFI has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 21, 2023, Noto Anthony purchased an insider buy of 22,500 shares of common stock. On November 14, 2023, Borton Chad M sold 51,246 shares of restricted stock unit. On November 14, 2023, Borton Chad M also bought 51,246 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Borton Chad M sold 19,405 shares of common stock. On November 9, 2023, Noto Anthony bought 44,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -21.397. In total, insiders have purchased 4,473,477 shares and sold 6,930,950 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $7.73, which represents a decrease of 3.3%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 10 days ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? While SOFI holds several positive signals, we believe it's not enough to consider it a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be seen as a hold candidate or one to accumulate, as we await further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, December 6th, we anticipate SOFI to open down by $0.0667 and start trading at $7.92. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest, where we bring you the latest insights into the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We're excited to hear your predictions. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for joining us here at StockInvest.